Russ here, fellow actor, producer, and founder of ActorWebs. I'm here with a tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to convert a Pages document to a PDF. So the first thing you want to do is open the Pages document that you want to convert to your PDF. So here I have my actor resume. You go up to the upper left corner, you click on File, you scroll down to where it says Export to, hover over that, and then select and click on PDF. There you'll see it says PDF. You want to make sure your image quality is best, and then click Next. Here it says Save As, and this is where you can type in whatever you want to call your PDF. I'm just going to leave it the same thing. And then here is where you choose where to save it. So I'm just going to go ahead and save it in my Documents folder, and then you click Export. Now I'm going to head over to my Documents folder, and there you can see it right here. It says PDF document. So there it is. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like it and share the video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful actor technology tips. I'll see y'all in the next video.